This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Position the jack head and wooden block under the reinforced section of the front subframe and raise the front of the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the reinforced section of the sill flange each side and remove the jack. Use a large screwdriver to force the piston into the brake caliper to provide clearance between the pads and disc. Counterhold the guide pin with an open-ended spanner and remove the lower guide pin bolt. A new bolt will be needed. Pivot the caliper upwards and secure it using a length of wire. Prise the inner and outer brake pads from the mounting bracket. Remove the lower and upper shims from the bracket. Measure the thickness of the brake pad friction material. If any pad is worn to 2 mm thickness or less, all 4 front brake pads must be renewed. Using aerosol brake cleaner and a soft brush, clean the mounting bracket and the brake caliper. Check the caliper dust seal for damage and evidence of any leakage. Then check that the guide pins slide easily and the condition of the rubber gaiters. Refit the upper and lower shims to the mounting bracket, then fit the inner and outer brake pads, ensuring the friction material is against the disc face. Pivot the caliper down into position over the pads. If the threads of the new guide pin bolt are not already pre-coated with locking compound, apply a suitable thread locking compound to them. Press the caliper into position, then install the guide pin bolt, tightening it to 30 Nm. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake, then repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the discs. Raise the vehicle slightly, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to 90 Nm and remove the wheel chocks.